industry ini down okay bir ka teaching money but ka dong I town ngo I work ngat e oni piano mo no don karu o signing no do tum kiengi lock ka lo ni kumi so gen ma wura wache ba female artist please o beru ki wit ngegen mi mir don't depend too much ko ngar ma manti ko ni ke nen kiti ko yin be you learn something pede beto ni ba ni kiti ko nyani yeah we are ya giri iberi stranded we in peri we naga an kine mo mot chene ma iro mo kato ne we duong la chene ma ino we so ana meeting senior fo akwan atik elevola che university piano mi beru doctor so
that is your dream.
Yeah, mi beru doctor pirong gir senior fo there. Fura chaka ka che show gini no down fu pingi joban yang e kongi beru mor ini Bestie Gyal nga ko mo mer wa win joban yang yo okay ko gini.
Right, the jilu tudwali mi malu kutamibe TV karewe. Yatini yum tutwal wati program mama bar celebrity vibes. Kama wakelu celeb mamegi, you know, public figures, you know, jatimu modelings, fashion designers. Yatini yum tutwal atiki wilu mamega. One of my only sister, abar and the garden. Itini the lioness. Ina mmoja we.
Fire.
Quantity nini.
Timu inti mambe.
Ana kampara ne puberty ni marajma.
Iyo ya mkampala birngi
la bolo gi yana kilona matoke
duka
no me duka ma yeme don pay mara pe ne jara
tilo next time
anyway itini
anti mambe
apoyo ana ite yengo ya machela rio dek mo ne pinyo ana we manyantie kiloni karewa gano we galu in our YouTube channel. It's not even far and I want us to talk about karewa. Kenano kangarumono wachi karewa tamu dimi madrong full. So I want you to break down for us pingo waje ni karewa and karewa meaning of that songs yani.
Okay. We ni karewa ne kineo mawati new generation and dimi mapol timulaka like industry yang mukarange daba wera guma eno tutwale ngene so tini no kiro we bedo laka tini down where I got dance so much full I was when bedo laka
but manaka yang chomo ni nowadays
I don't pay
you know wait can long way no care don't
why ni karwa karba fulu
so it's just entertaining songs and a bit of kutkutie not so
kutkutie yeah
I win you ngor mo and I want you to prove it right now. Ni that video causing in over 6 million plus. So is it lokada?
Okay, para watching yam eto ter chene. Machiro kampala
million plus mere no kato mere.
Yeah, ter chene. Pia ninyo kampala venue gi and kineo director ni be akikono. Yeah, so ter will chene madiat para watching.
Yeah, for security purpose. Ko ngama konta no be tete o magaro. Yeah, anyway, in my work, okay, you make sure you go to Bestie Gyal YouTube channel, Cherecho Bestie Gyal official.
Yeah.
Karawati out and make sure you subscribe and like, comment and share. So Bestie Gyal, how are you dealing with because I win you ni gang kwan bene? How are you balancing your academic career with music career?
Okay. Mostly like weekend I think we na pole weekend then Kenyan weekdays there is an handle of my YouTube TikTok Kenyan pay and burger posting pian down town kago na jima ni TikTok town ngo an party kwan ngo no jima mama ngwa so an ke karo mi kwan a very school
you focused
yeah
pian by the way anano comments mo ni you girl, you first study, so down you just only do your things on weekends.
Yeah.
You have your social media handlers, managers,
yeah. Kenyan interview I think after school. Yeah.
Well, why Chani?
Charlie Chawani.
You do higang fan so. Inano be saying teacher. So Bestie Gyal, kainano music career mamigi chalo in Bestie Gyal. How do you rate it now? from the time you started up to now mighty yeni rating nini Jimmy ti award mabe keje petutwal.
Okay, Jimmy ti award mabe. Pian mafura chaka no down pinya. But right now, down ngia kira wicharo in down ngia. Kiwe it song ama go ma chen ma kilon chonya. So for my deal do tell about fans ma mega. Yeah, fans ma mega chumkera. We supporting am aratika ma comedy.
Wow, that is amazing. Kainano. At least in your progress money career mamigi. Wow, that is amazing. So Bestie Gyal, program mo ina people rima board twale. Amita penye la pen kadong duong na rio. Kainano in chalo Bestie Gyal. Chak music industry and new challenges mo kuno beruti. Ka challenges tie in chalo Bestie Gyal. How do you overcome it? You kainan chalo fans money. Pian ngi lok pa fans we romo beru challenges buri.
Yeah.
Pian chamo kainan romo beru challenges, chamo kainan romo beru encouraging what but not it log in a negative way. How do you deal with those kind of situations if come to like take a facing in direct?
Okay. Challenges mo romo beru both fans. Inyo sometimes fans ke inkelu jima piye wigi. Gen be pegi no maro. Like mo che show, mo fura chaka ka che show gini. No down fu pingi. Joban yang e kongi beru mor. Ini Bestie Gyal nga ko mo mer wa win. Joban yang you okay ko gini ba. Meri. So kage wajini in chalo Bestie Gyal ichingoni. Kage wajuka mano. I met we go proving nga Bestie Gyal in chalo we daba. PMK wa kecho romu jalo ne ba romu jalo wa we. So I met like kage pa show ka ngam wa next time ka dwa kuna be you pedong which ka bale ngare mo so kira berga
balancing overcoming. That is amazing. So Bestie Gyal Ichani, I'm not sure because ever since I remember my last interview with you, I think it's now coming to close of 1 year. So in academic, mamiki, you want to stop in senior 4, PNKYT senior 4, or after this, after your academic, you want to focus on your music career, or you want to continue to A level, or even after university, while you also do your music career. Okay. I don't know if you get my question well.
Yeah. At this time, I'm parang senior 4. Kita wati ni karwan lo wati down juiki.
Yeah, every time and again.
Wati ni we in peri we naga. An kini amamot. Chene ma iro mo katune we duong lo chene ma ino we. So ana meeting senior 4. Akwan atik A level che university. Piano mir beru doctor. So
that is your dream.
Yeah, mir beru doctor. Doctor pirom gir senior 4 there.
Okay. Yeah, truly. But money can gang around gir. I'm gonna dream is more big, it's beyond what some people expect.
La way ma ke wai olu kwano, la way ma tiki paper, la way ma olu tiki sidewalk ma mege.
Yeah, like for example, recently Chris Brown Furutiero paper mege mi doctor. So that is also a good example. So kind more doctor kila way give me colliding. How will you going to manage? Because you don't carry do good no paper ni doctor, you'll be like music aside, man, let me focus on my.
Way tiki car ne, tiki car. Bu o car mama no ini kumino ne kodong will gear kakan piano kita no inan kere says game magabe no caro tika mano.
Yeah, surely. Pian me tika nen why tamebe televisions tiki wele mega man Bestie Gyal, one of the famous female artists in northern Uganda and young talented. And make sure you go to our YouTube channel, go to all the streaming platform. All the song is out. It's called Karewa.
Yeah,
and make sure you stream it.
Karewa.
So Bestie Gyal, I think this is also going to attack you directly because you are also a musician. Yesterday, our most famous female influencer, that is, she's called Simple Gladys. Okateki's statement morning, our music in northern Uganda is not elevating in one way or the other. Ma Okateki reason, our artists they are not distributing their songs. Ma Kelo Kawachaneni, Pian Antikila, she's now famous all over Africa. Ma lureme mo keneno gimaro we ma meko bakakar chawti kisone but romo chair maybe streaming platform mo gono peti anongone.
Yeah.
So and wajani artists, they should distribute their songs so other people they also stream, because when they stream your songs you're going to get paid. So in Chalo Bestie Gyal, have you distributed your songs? Because that is attack you directly as a musician.
When kero Snapchat, come on, can't you tell me the Bestie Gyal kill it?
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're not affected.
I'm not.
So you're organized Chalo choir. Wow, that is amazing. Where happen you any piano one Chalo. Actually, female artists in Northern Uganda are facing a lot of challenges. So, unity which means your team or management, they're doing great and great.
They're doing great.
Yes, that is amazing. Shout out to management team wherever you are.
Yeah.
So, Bestie Gyal, concluding our program. I want you to advise your female artists.
Okay.
Mostly. Because
Okay,
these male artists, they know what they're doing, but I want you to advise your female artists and give encouraging words to them and last word to your fan.
Watching but female artists, okay? Pay work to Tiki, Betty Witch, Nagin Mukeli industry, and no, go at this time, Pamio Gakwane, piano industry in it down. Okay, being a teaching money, but Kadung E town, it work not only. Piano mo no karu usain no do tum kiengi lock galwani kumi so gen ma wura wache ba female artist please obero ki wit ngegen we mer don't depend too much ko ngar ma manti kuni ke nen kiti kuni yimbe you learn something pedi beto ni bani kiti konya ni yeah we are yagiri iberi stranded tamara wache know what you want kiti we just focus on your career.
Wow.
Yeah.
I think that is powerful, encouraging word I've ever heard from any female artist I've ever host. That is amazing. Then your last word to your fans, then we call it a day.
Okay. Loka magire ni we menyanti wao. Karwa kita mungi wa timu kere. Ini the lioness.
The Lion King.
Trust my song. So tiara to YouTube channel mamenga cho Bestie Gyal. Kira beta kon futi manyan. Kine subscribing the other one. You go also and subscribe.
This one.
Yeah. Tiara cho Bestie Gyal official bukeli. Yeah. Kawakuro eats after eats.
Anyway, thanks for honoring my invitations. I wish you a good day and I win you chalk and I wish you success as well.
Yeah.
I wish you a success. For my in my televisions every time and again we bring you celebrity vibes. Thank you so much. Peace and love.